किसी भी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन बिना प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स किए अधूरी रहती है क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चंस या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपरों में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स कर आप कर सकते हैं अपनी एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर और सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर आपकी तैयारी हो जाएगी 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी कर सके अपनी एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। इस चैनल पर हम सभी सेमेस्टर और सभी स्ट्रीम्स के पेपर को डिस्कस करते हैं, तो इसे आप अपने क्लासमेट्स या फिर सारी कॉलेज के दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हैं। प्लीज़ डू शेयर इट विद एज मैनी पीपल एज यू कैन ताकि हमें सपोर्ट मिले और हम इसी तरीके से आपके लिए और पेपर्स लाते रहें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एमएड सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का पेपर 2 सोशियोलॉजिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन। ये पेपर हुआ है ईयर 2024 में। बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, अगर आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहती है, आपको पसंद आती है, तो इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए ज़रूर कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन या ऑप्शन में आपको डाउट आता है तो उसे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में डेफिनेटली मेंशन करें। जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम पिन कर देंगे इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, वुड्स डिस्पैच केम इन विच ईयर? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए 1854। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ हंटर कमीशन? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इंडियन एजुकेशन कमीशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ नेशनल वुमेन एजुकेशन कमिटी? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी Durgabai Deshmukh. Question number 4. Professor Ramurthy Committee is organized in answer is option number B 1991. Question number 5. National Women Commission is affected from answer is option number A 13 January 1992. Question number 6. Who recommended for National Women Education Council? Answer is option B National Women Education Committee. Question number 7. Who gave the concept of deschooling society? Answer is option number B Ivan Illich. Question number 8. When was total literacy campaign started? Answer is option number C 1988. Question number 9. Which of the following is the main cause of modernization? Answer is option number A education. Question number 10. Modernization includes? Answer is option number D all of these. Question number 11. Which of the following objective of democratic education is suggested by Kothari Commission? Answer is option number D all of these. Question number 12. Democratic educational administration is based on? Answer is option number D all of these. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a democratic method of teaching? Answer is option number D lecture method. Question number 14. When was midday meal scheme started in India? Answer is option number B 1995. Question number 15. Where have schools been set up by Navsarjan with special design curricula for Dalit children? Answer is option number C Gujarat. Question number 16. Which of the following is the constraint on social mobility? Answer is option number D all of the above. Question number 17. What is the full form of UDHR? Answer is option number C Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Question number 18. When was 4th World Conference on Women held? Answer is option number C 1995. Question number 19. Millennium Development Goals include? Answer is option number D all of the above. Question number 20. Which of the following is not the nature of values? Answer is option number A. Values are static. Question number 21. When was Ramakrishna Institute of Moral and Spiritual Education? Where is Ramakrishna Institute of Moral and Spiritual Education situated? Answer is option number D, Mysore. Question number 22. Which type of school program should be organized for inculcating values? Answer is option number D, all of these. Question number 23. Which article of Constitution states that no religious instruction shall be provided in any educational institution? Answer is option number C, 28. Question number 24. What is the main characteristic of secular state? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 25. Which of the following is not true? Answer is option number B. Secular education does not develop democratic values. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a barrier of national integration in India? Answer is option number A. Equality of educational opportunities. Question number 27. Desired change in behavior of a child is due to? Answer is option number A. Education. Question number 28. Who wrote Principle of Educational Sociology? Answer is option number D. None of these. Question number 29. Which of the following is the basis of study of mutual relations of education and society? Answer is option number C. Sociological basis. Question number 30. Do education and society affect each other? Answer is option number A. Yes. Question number 31. Which commission included modernization in the objectives of education? Answer is option number A. Kothari Commission. Question number 32. Modernization is the gift of westernization. Who said this? Answer is option number B. Daniel Lerner. Question number 33. National Service Scheme is not related with. Answer is option number A. Adult education. Question number 34. In which amendment of Constitution the word secular is added? Answer is option number A. 42. Question number 35. Who introduced the idea of equality of educational opportunities very first? Answer is option number B. Radhakrishnan Commission. Question number 36. For whom ashram schools are set up? Answer is option number D. Scheduled tribes children from remote areas. Question number 37. According to which article there will be no discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, creed, and sex? Answer is option number A. 15. Question number 38. In which article there is a special provision for scheduled caste people about administration? Answer is option number A. 244. Option number D. 244. Question number 39. Which is not related with equality? Answer is option number D. Learning plateau. Question number 40. Which of the following measure is not effective to remove inequality? Answer is option number D. To increase education fee. Question number 41. According to which article all citizens should be educated to succeed and security of democracy? Answer is option number D. 45. Question number 42. Which national education policy proposed pace-making schools at secondary level? Answer is option number C. NEP 1986. Question number 43. Which article is related with the education of minority in constitution? Answer is option number C. 30. Question number 44. When was the education included in concurrent list of the constitution? Answer is option number D. 1976. Question number 45. In which article of the constitution there is a provision of punishment to keep children under 14 on work? Answer is option number B. 24. Question number 46. Who set the development of democratic citizenship as educational objective? Answer is option number C. Mudaliar Commission. Question number 47. Education is considered as a social subsystem because. Answer is option number D. It has well defined objectives and functions to promote adaptations. Question number 48. Who offered the model of integrated development of the person by education? Answer is option B. Aurobindo. Question number 49. In the sociology of education, a study is made of relationship between education and society as a whole. Who said this? Answer is option number B. P. Musgrave. Question number 50. Who wrote dynamic sociology? Answer is option number C. Lester Ward. Question number 51. Who wrote education and sociology? Answer is option number A. Emile Durkheim. Question number 52. Who wrote democracy and education? Answer is option number D. John Dewey. Question number 53. When did Introduction to Educational Sociology published? Answer is option number D. 1917. Question number 54. Education sociology as training for educational workers. Who propounded this? Answer is option number A. Cook. Question number 55. In the sociology of education we study. Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 56. Educational sociology covers all the social processes. Who said this? Answer is option number C. Brooke Over. Question number 57. Education is the chief means to which society must look for all substantial social progress. Who said this? Answer is option number B. Elwood. Question number 58. Which of the following is the main aim of educational sociology? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 59. Who said education is in fact nothing other than the whole life of a community? Answer is option number C. TV. Question number 60. What is the impact of education on society? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 61. In which period downward filtration theory was implemented in education? Answer is option number D. British period. Question number 62. Society and education stand in a relation of reciprocal cause and effect. Who said this? Answer is option number D. Rosek. Question number 63. Social changes, social evolution. Who said this? Answer is option number B. Spencer. Question number 64. Which of the following is a part of non-material culture? Answer is option number D. Music. Question number 65. Along with cultural adaptation goes educational change. Who said this? Answer is option number B. Saidin. Question number 66. The word culture is derived from. Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Question number 67. The smallest unit of culture is. Answer is option number B. Trait. Question number 68. Which of the following is included in culture? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 69. Which of the following is to help in the community continuity of culture? Answer is option number C. Education. Question number 70. Which of the following is not the basis of social stratification in India? Answer is option number A. Age. Question number 71. Socialization is a social and psychological process. Who said this? Answer is option number C. Drever. Question number 72. Which of the following is a factor leading to socialization of the child? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 73. Which of the following is an example of community? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 74. Which one is true? Answer is option number B. School is a community. इसका ऑप्शन नंबर सी शुड बी द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर. बट अगर आपको इसका एग्जैक्ट आंसर पता है तो प्लीज डू मेंशन इट इन कमेंट सेक्शन. Question number 75. Which is the influence of school on community? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 76. Who propounded that education is an investment in itself? Answer is option number D. World Bank. Question number 77. Which of the following is a factor affecting the product of education? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 78. Which of the following is a measure to develop corporate feelings in student? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 79. Who is the father of educational sociology? Answer is option number B. George Penny. Question number 80. Which of the following is not the main cause of social change? Answer is option number A. Labor. Question number 81. School is a miniature society. Who said this? Answer is option number A. Ottaway. Question number 82. Which of the following is the demerit of social mobility? Answer is option B. Development of ego feeling. Question number 83. The function of education is. Answer is option number A. Upward mobility. Question number 84. Which of the following is a factor affecting social mobility of students? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 85. Movement of individuals or group in the social stratification is called. Answer is option number B. Social mobility. Question number 86. When an individual or group gets mobility by labor or struggle, this mobility is called. Answer is option number D. Contest social mobility. Question number 87. Which factor is impeding the socialization of child? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 88. Who said man is a social animal? Answer is option number C. Aristotle. Question number 89. Which of the following is a social objective of education? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 90. Who wrote The School and Society? Answer is option number C. John Dewey. Question number 91. Who is called father of sociology? Answer is option B. Auguste Comte. Question number 92. Which one is true? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 93. Education is the means of change. Who said this? Answer is option number A. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Question number 94. Which of the following is not the cause of social change? Answer is option number D. Urbanization. Question number 95. Which of the following is the main characteristic of social group? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 96. Which of the following is the social process? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 97. Social stratification is. Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Question number 98. Which is the socio-cultural basis of social stratification? Answer is option number D. Intellectual ability. Question number 99. What is the cause of disparities in the health of educational opportunities? Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 100. Which of the following is the means of human resource development? Answer is option number C. Both A and B. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन. आई होप ये वीडियो आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगी. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू लाइक द वीडियो और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी. कोई भी डाउट्स या है आपको क्वेश्चन में या ऑप्शन में तो उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में डेफिनेटली मेंशन करें. जो भी करेक्शन होंगे उसे हम पिन कर देंगे फॉर एवरीवन. एंड मेक श्योर कि आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें. कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं आपको कैसी लगी और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें. Keep supporting guys, subscribe the channel, keep supporting and spreading the channel. Thank you everyone.